So we are getting to know, this is some breaking news coming in. Now, Supreme Court has refused to stay the summoning of K Kavitha. This is Kavitha summoning tomorrow by questioning by the ED. Kavitha, remember, had contended that she should be questioned at her home. Her argument was that a woman cannot be called to the office of the ED again and again, though the SC has refused to buy the argument and has refused to grant an urgent hearing to Kavitha. They've listed her petition for hearing on the March 24th. Harish, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast. Harish, no relief for K Kavitha. Simple interpretation of this breaking news: she'll have to appear before the ED tomorrow for questioning.
Yes, so that's a huge setback for the BRS leader, and who also happens to be the daughter of the high-profile Telangana Chief Minister K Chandrasekhar Rao, and an accused in the Delhi excise scam case. Remember, tomorrow she has to appear before the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the second round of questioning. Remember, earlier she was questioned on March 11, but before that she moved the Supreme Court seeking a stay of the summoning for tomorrow, saying that she is a woman and she has to be or questioned at her home or her office, and the ED cannot summon a woman to their office. But the Supreme Court has refused an urgent hearing, which means that refused an urgent hearing and deferred the hearing of a petition to March 24, which essentially means that Kavitha will have to appear before the Enforcement Directorate for second round of questioning. Tomorrow is the scheduled date. Therefore, there is no relief for her, because the Supreme Court has deferred the hearing of a petition and refused to stay the ED summon against her. Remember, this is Kavitha is a very important link, according to ED and CBI, in the Sisodia case also, and ED and CBI has even told the trial court that more evidence will tumble out against the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia once Kavitha, Sisodia and Arun Pillai and Vijay Nair are together confronted in the matter. Regarding, remember, there are allegations that put forward by ED and CBI that the South Group, of which Kavitha is a part of, had paid crores worth kickback to Vijay Nair at the behest of several Aam Aadmi Party leaders to fight elections in Punjab and Goa. So there are very serious allegations against her. In the midst of it, she had come to Supreme Court seeking a stay on the summon, but there is no relief for her, as the Supreme Court refused to give her an urgent hearing and deferred the hearing of her petition to March 24, which means that she will have to appear before the ED tomorrow.
Well, absolutely, Harish. So K Kavitha will have to appear before the Enforcement Directorate tomorrow. Kavitha was hoping for some relief. Take us through what were the arguments from the side of the lawyers of K Kavitha. I believe she was claiming that being a woman, she should not be called to the ED office for questioning again and again.
In fact, the proceeding lasted only for a few seconds, remember, because this matter was not listed today, because only minutes after she filed the petition in the registry, she had appeared before the Chief Justice as an seeking an out-of-turn hearing, given the urgency of the matter, saying that she has been summoned for tomorrow, but Chief Justice refused to give an urgent hearing, refused to list the matter for hearing today.
The side of K Kavitha.